Most people think that ChatGPT is only for writing text, but they are only using about 20% of what ChatGPT can do. In this video, I'll be showing you 10 powerful things ChatGPT can do that most people don't know. These are practical things you can use for writing, studying, business, or even productivity, even if you are a complete beginner. Now, let's start from the first one. Most people ask ChatGPT to write from scratch, but the smartest way you can use ChatGPT is to ask him to rewrite. Maybe you want to send an email to somebody. You just copy the email and paste on ChatGPT and tell him to rewrite it, make it more professional, or And the best part is that you can do that on email, WhatsApp message, essay, or even caption. But note, always tell ChatGPT the tone you want it to use when rewriting your messages. Maybe professional or friendly, or you can just tell him rewrite also message on a professional tone or on a friendly tone, right? So always make sure you are specific on the tone you want him to use when rewriting your email, WhatsApp message, or any type of even captions. And here is what most people don't know. ChatGPT can improve your grammar and clarity without changing your message. And this is perfect for students and business owners. In fact, anybody that struggles with English. Most people fail goals because they don't know where to start. Now let's use this as an example. Okay, let's say I want to start a new YouTube channel, but I don't know how to go about it. All I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. And this was my question. I said I want to start a YouTube channel. Break this into simple beginner steps, right? So after that, we have to click on the search button to see the answer it will give us. And if you look closely, you will see that the answers was listed step by step on how I will be able to understand it as a YouTube beginner. One thing about ChatGPT is that it removes confusion and gives you clarity. You don't need to be a business expert to use ChatGPT. You can ask for ideas, names, business, or target customers, or everything. You can ask for anything you want to ask, right? Okay, let's say you work 9 to 5, right? And you want to learn new skills, but you don't know how to go about it. All you have to do is just to go to ChatGPT, and with ChatGPT you can plan your day, your week, even your 30-day goals. You can plan it with ChatGPT. Now when you get to ChatGPT, right, all you have to do is to type in your question. And this was the question I asked. Create a daily schedule for someone who works from 9 to 5 and want to learn a new skills. So I'm going to search it to see the answer it will give me. You need to also have this in mind. The more the details, the better the plan. So let me say if I add the type of job I was doing before in this my search, right? It will help ChatGPT to generate more suitable plans for me, right? That is why I told you guys that ChatGPT is the best at saving mental energy, whether in comparing options or explaining topics quickly. Okay, let's say I want to compare Facebook and YouTube. Which one is the best, right? So all I have to do is just to type it in and click on the search button. Now it has to break it down for you step by step before giving you the final answer you are looking for. Lest I forget, if you are a student, this is huge. Most people don't use ChatGPT as their study partner, but they should. So let's say we have an upcoming exam, right? And I need to study. All I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and type in my prompt. And this is what I wrote. Ask me 10 exam questions based on economics and explain the answer. So this simply means that it will ask me questions and still give me the answer. Now, if you are a student, this helps you practice before test and understands where you are weak. And also, as a student, you can also paste a long note or textbook content and say summarize this in simple way for a beginner. Now, instead of you to read 5 pages, you'll get the idea in a second, and you can even ask it to explain like you are 10 years old. Here is one secret most people don't know. ChatGPT works best if you treat it like a conversation, not one-time question, right? If you ask a question and you didn't like the answer it gave you, you can just say, make it better. The more you guide it, the more smarter it becomes. And if you want to see more practical ChatGPT tutorials, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm dropping AI tutorial videos every week, right? Peace and love.